Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to set Google Flights price alerts. So stick around to the end to get all the steps in doing this. So currently we're in Google Flights and we'll be setting our flight plan. For example, we will be in Paris and we'll say going to Marseille. We have our locations set and we're going to leave the data as is. We're going to click on search and now we have the results. Now, in order to set the Google Flights price alerts, all you need to do is to go over here where you have track prices. The date matches with what we had before, which is November 1 to 8. And now we have the toggle button. When we tap on the toggle button, this means we're ready to track prices. You also see the notification that you'll get emails when prices change. This is great because now we've set our price alerts. You can simply click on the X to cancel this. And this is how you get to set your Google Flights price alerts.